was not flirting. It was just casual conversation between two people. That is all.
Yeah, right.
You want to see flirting? I'll show you flirting.
I'm good.
I was not flirting.
And on your anniversary, for shame!
What's going on?
Chandler was hitting on the hot delivery girl.
I was not, and oh, God, shh.
Well, I'm sorry, but you were, okay? And besides, if anyone should be hitting on her, it's the guy who's single, okay? The guy who can do something about it.
Sounds like someone wants to be Mr. Pizza Delivery Girl. Hey, pepperoni, 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 Ross. I know she's pretty and you love her, but is she stupid? She forgot my vegetarian.
This is perfect. She'll have to come back here with your pizza, and when she does, I will turn on the charm, oh, Ross.
Hi.
Hi.
One vegetarian pizza. It's $12.15.
Oh. By the way, if it makes you feel any better, I happen to like 8-year-old boys.
What?
I mean, your hair, before, your hair. You said you thought that your hair looked like an 8-year-old boy's, and I'm just saying I like it. The hair.
Thanks.
You understand, I don't actually like 8-year-old boys.
You know, all I'm looking for is the money.
There you go. Now stop bringing us pizzas, you.
I'm gonna try.
You're welcome.
You couldn't let me have her, could you?
What?
This is a girl I really like, and you had to swoop in there.
What's going on?
Chandler was totally flirting with a hot delivery girl.
Thank you for that. I was not flirting.
It's okay, I don't care. It's fine.
Really?
Really?
No big deal. I do it all the time.